Hey guys, Szenanphua from AcuTCM School. Today I'm going to show you two cases of scoliosis. These two cases we use Jiyi acupuncture. Not me. The students learn from Master Liu. So did these two cases. So I'm here just sharing with you what Jiyi acupuncture can do for scoliosis and what would the result would be. So one of the cases is very amazing. We have x-ray. We can show you what's going on. Let's have a look at the case. Right, this is the first case. As you can see here, this guy, scoliosis, and after treatment, I'm not quite sure how many treatment that one, but you can see very obvious before and after. And what one thing is we're not quite sure, how bad is it, and then how long is that, how many treatment in here. Let me show you another case. All right, over here, as you can see, this is an x-ray. Wow, this is so bad. This, how bad is it? So bad. This is before treatment. This is after treatment. Now you're gonna ask, how many treatment is that? Right. I'm not quite sure how many years. It's a very severe scoliosis. It's female, we know that. And how many treatment? 2 Jiyi acupuncture. And the result is fantastic. As you can see here, this is before, it's after, and there's the x-ray before. Right? Amazing, right? So what I'm going to let you know, if you want to learn this, we teach post-balancing acupuncture, balance method acupuncture, Dr. Tan's, from Dr. Tan's, and we do Master Liu Jiyi acupuncture. And I would want to tell you that Jiyi acupuncture so far is the best one, the best technique for scoliosis, for structure issues, right? I'm not saying that the other wouldn't do that, but it's stand out. Jiyi acupuncture stand out better than the others, right? Now, if you want to learn, I offer free training. You learn water points, and it's all free, and you can find the link down there or up there. Click it and register, and you can learn that. And for the water point, it treats knee pain, ankle pain, calf pain, thigh pain, any pain in this area, right? Now, if you want to learn the real technique or Jiyi acupuncture technique, how to treat scoliosis, lumbar herniation, disc issues, and a lot more, the good chance for you to learn is to attend Malaysia workshop coming up in November. Today, by the time that I film this video, is the 12th of July 2022. So on November, you want to find out the details. There's one more link down there or up there. Go ahead and find out and click it, okay, and contact us, okay. There are big bonus for you. By the time to 2024, the price will increase, right? So book it in today. We only have 16 seats that left for you to join, right? And Master Liu going to teach in Chinese, but we have translated into English. Stay awesome. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.